The biggest problem of today's world is communication. Despite technological developments, humans are just strangers to each other. They do not understand. It is partly because of different languages. It is partly because of different educational standards. It is partly because of people's interest, own self ideas, and self generated restrictions upon an individual which resist in interacting and intermingling with the other people. It is partly because of various cultures spread around us. So there are so many things which resist in communicating each other, understanding each other, despite the fact that there are universal truths, or you can just say the values like honesty, bravery, sympathy, like taking care of others, philanthropy. Such are the things which are common throughout the globe, but still we see that people are in a miserable condition. Even individuals are unaware of their neighbors. Why it is so? It is so because we do not interact. Or if we interact, it is merely the words we interact, but we do not understand or do not try to understand feelings and emotions behind the words. The situation will remain same. It will keep on prevailing unless until human they develop such a habit or an understanding or an instinct where they truly understand other person's feelings and emotions. The day they started doing it, practicing it, the uh, problems of humanity would evaporate immediately.